Plug the earth and pistol cables into the appropriate controller sockets. Note that the plugs are keyed to prevent incorrect fitting. Turn on the controller. Having allowed the self-test period to complete, adjust the current and time settings using the push buttons and adjuster knob. Fit the ferrule grip into the foot adapter and secure using the two grub screws. Place a chuck into the taper adapter and tap firmly home. Push a stud into the chuck. Place a ferrule into the ferrule grip. Set the required protrusion by adjusting the position of the foot adapter using the adjustable legs. Centre the stud in the ferrule by adjusting the position of the foot adapter. Set the lift by turning the adjuster on the rear of the pistol. One click is approximately equal to 1/4 millimetre of lift. Secure the workpiece using the earth clamps. Place the clamps as far apart as possible to ensure better welding results. Place the stud at the location to be welded and press the pistol firmly into position. Pull the trigger. After welding, break off and clear away the ferrules to reveal the finished weld. Complete setting information can be found in the product manual. For further information, go to tailor-studwelding.com.